Hey, what is up, everybody, party people? It's your boy Aaron, back with another video, back with another edition, episode, whatever the fuck you want to call it, of On Feet Kicks. I know it's been a minute since I dropped something, probably like almost 2 months. I've been slacking like a motherfucker. I got a new camera, so I am currently trying to figure out this video editing program right now. I'm filming on my phone, so I edit on iMovie right now. So yeah, I know it's been a minute, been a good grip since I dropped a video. I haven't really picked up anything. I did film a video with my camera for pickup around Christmas time. It's actually a Christmas present that I got. Got some heat. That's coming once I figure this video shit out with the editing program. So, today I just figured, you know what, I haven't posted a video in a minute, so I am just going to be doing, I don't know, you have to stick around to see, but, was it last week, my mom was in town, so we took her out to the Field Museum in Chicago, went out for lunch, came home, blah, 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 we had some fun. So yeah, I wore this pair of kicks, and Chicago, it was fucking raining. I didn't film anything. Shit, I got some on my shirt. I didn't film just because I didn't want my camera to get all fucked up because it was raining, snowing, whatever. But I wore these kicks. I've worn a couple times, but they got dirty because Chicago is a slush-filled, dirty fucking place. So I think I'm probably going to be doing like a cleaning video. Yeah, I think, yeah, we're going to do a cleaning video. So, alright, stay tuned. The shoe I will be cleaning, probably, I mean, these are pretty fucking dirty. I probably use my Rejuvenator for it. But the shoes I am going to be cleaning today are the Adidas Tubular Doom Sock PK. I think that's what it said on the box. So, dope shoe, and they got dirty as shit. I mean, I've worn them a couple times. I think some on the uppers here somewhere. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they're dirty. They are just dirty, trashed. Not trashed, but we are going to get them clean so I can put them back. Because I like to keep my shit nice. So, yeah, I'm going to get this shit set up and shoot a cleaning video. Alright, everybody. I am going to be using the Angelus Easy Cleaner. I got a lot of different types of cleaners, so I'm going to be trying this out, the Easy Cleaner with a Rejuvenator brush. I've never used this before, so let's hope it works out. I'm just going to pour some in there. I watched a video on this. I think I don't really need to add water or anything. I got my shoe tree in. Nothing special, and I'm just going to sit here and just scrub away, and you can just see right now. I'm also going to be using the microfiber towel from Angelus too. You could just kind of see it working. Seems to be working pretty well. I didn't take the shoelaces out or anything. F it. I know I got dirt up on the uppers too, so I am not going to scrub too hard because it's not the soft bristle brush, it's just the all-purpose brush. So I'm not going to go too hard on the uppers or the suede here that got kind of damaged too. Not damaged, dirty. Sorry. I do these videos and I don't rehearse or anything. Yeah, I don't rehearse anything I effing say. So all this crap is just off the top of the dome, you know? Busting that freestyle. Oh. So get in there and just work that dirt out. As you can see, it's working. This stuff is working amazingly. Might as well just clean the bottoms off too, right? And I'm just, you can see it's just taking most of that dirt off. I mean, I know with wear, shit's gonna get dirty. I mean, it's just the outsole, so yeah, it's gonna get a little bit dirty. I'm really going to town on it. I mean, I'm sure if I threw this in the washer, it would take all that crap like right out, but I'm gonna wipe it down. The microfiber towel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yeah. I mean, here, what's the spot right there? Hit that real quick. I mean, for the most part, yeah. It worked good. I'm gonna rinse this off. It worked very well, I believe. I think. I mean, I just had to rinse it off, but fuckers. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, here we go. That is dirty or clean. Let's compare the two. I mean, a big difference between night and day. Night and day. I mean, this stuff worked great. Crap, my tripod fell. But yeah, it worked great. You can just see how dirty the other shoe is. Get up in there. You just see the dirt, the grime. And then we'll go to this one. And this one, I mean, you're not going to get everything out usually. But, I mean, night and day. That's about it. Get a clean shoe right now. The Angelus Easy Cleaner works very well. So yeah, I mean, I got all kinds of cleaners, so maybe I'll do a little comparison video or something from, you know, between the Easy Cleaner, Reshoevn8r, that spray foam stuff you get from like Walmart and that. I got an Adidas cleaner, so I do have to clean my Yeezys. So yeah, like I said, the stuff, I'm happy with the way it worked. It had my shoe looking, has my shoe looking good. So yeah, Alright, what's up again? Also, I just realized, please, hold on. If you're washing some suede or scrubbing suede, say it 3 times, Aaron. Suede. Just be careful. Sometimes it tends to bleed a little. I just had some bleeding. Not too bad. But, yeah, just be careful with that. I just wanted to add that in there. So you're not freaking out and shit. So, yeah, just be careful with the suede bleed. Wipe it, pat it down. Don't forget to reset the nap on it. Just same direction. Should reset the nap on it. Alright, everybody. I'm not going to clean the other shoe on camera, but I am happy, like I said, with the outcome. So, yeah, this shoe was cleaned perfectly, I think. Got it looking good. Got most of that dirt off. Of course, it's going to show some wear and tear after where you wear your shoes. But as long as you can keep them kind of clean, they are going to get beat up. But I'm going to let these dry, clean the other one, and I'm putting them back in the box. And, yeah, like I said, I'm going to try and do maybe figure out some other shoes and get a little comparison video going. See what works best, this, that, and go from there. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out that editing program. I will be getting that video out soon, though, because I have been lacking like a motherfucker on my videos. So, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I would put where to get the Easy Cleaner from, but Angelus, you're not sponsoring me, so just go online and look for it. But it does work like a charm, as you can tell. It really worked out good. This is kind of a comfortable shoe. Yeah, I picked it up way before I started this channel, but like I said, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you're enjoying the fucking content. And I will see you next time. I am out. Holler.